Hi, grade 6 and 7 historians. So, today all I'm doing is giving you the instructions for what I expect from you for a final assessment. This half of term, we've looked at an overview of the Romantic era and what was really going on all around the music, because no art is ever separated from the context of its time. So, I really want you to be able to understand the overview, the oversight. If you had an eagle's eye looking down, if you had a time machine, be able to go back, you'd be able to see clearly what was going on in the minds of the composers, what was going on in the environment, is the external environment, and how that shaped the views of the people, the artists of that time. Okay, so an overview of the Romantic era, and we've also looked at two composers, Gioacchino Rossini and Felix Mendelssohn, one from Italy, one from Germany. I want you to be able to understand their styles of composition, the kind of music they wrote, the kind of pieces they wrote, a little bit about their life, some of the meaning behind the pieces, just to be able to understand the general life of these composers and how it affected the music, who they were as people, and how they became who they were, and how their life came to an end. And don't forget to apply the meaning behind the music and as to what some of these pieces actually conveyed. They weren't just written because they were music, but they actually had a bit of meaning. Some were just written because they were hired to write some stuff, but some had some meaning. So go ahead and be able to understand the whole of the Romantic era, the context behind it, and our two composers, Gioacchino Rossini and Felix Mendelssohn. All right, if you've been taking down notes, then there's a lot of information there. Try and retain some of it, but most of it is going to be a test to see have you understood the music, not rather than just recite things that I've said. Okay, so have fun going through those different composers, and I will see you very soon. See you, grade 6 and 7.